Oh, that's right. We're talking recurring revenue and more specifically turning your personal brand into recurring revenue with a one-page newsletter. I'm going to take you inside my whole system, why it works, how to package it, how to sell it, all that fun stuff coming up in today's episode of Ryan Lee TV. Okay, so what is a one-page newsletter? Let's define it. Here's a definition. Get ready to write this down. It's a newsletter that fits on one page. Here is the one I just published and launched yesterday, and it's called, drumroll please, the One Page Millionaire. It's taking all of my best ideas and strategies and tactics, things I've been doing for my one-person business since the late 90s, and every issue, we're breaking it down to one idea, one thing you could do and implement, and that's it. It's very, very focused on just cutting through all the noise, cutting through all the clutter. And that is the power of leaning into a one-page newsletter. Look, I've done so many different newsletters over the decades. I had a 12-page print newsletter. I had a 22-page digital newsletter. I've done so many different types of newsletters. I've had newsletters that have gone along with my supplement company. This is something different and unique. And here's why it's working, because I launched this 24 hours ago and it's already bringing in lots and lots of new members. So let's start with the letters. So the one-page newsletter, the first letter is F. And here is perhaps the biggest benefit of a one-page newsletter is it is fast, right? And when I say it's fast for two different people, right? It's fast for them, for your subscriber, because they can read it in 3 minutes, 5 minutes tops, right? And get that big idea, the big takeaway, and whatever it is you're doing. Maybe it's a workout or a certain meal plan, or you're giving a marketing strategy, or you're giving a self-guided meditation, or a way to improve your strength or sports performance or repair relationships. Whatever that is, you're delivering one idea, but it's fast. People are busy. Everyone is busy. We're all busy, especially parents. I have 4 kids. We are busy. So it saves them time, the consumer, but it also saves you, the creator, the entrepreneur, the solopreneur, time, because it doesn't take very long. I mean, I love writing. I wrote this in about 10, 15 minutes. Stream of consciousness, I already have about 30 episodes, 30 issues. I keep calling them episodes because I love TV. I keep calling them episodes, but I have about 30 issues already mapped out, all the ideas I want to start writing about. And it's exciting. It's put it into this really compact, fast, easy to consume format. So fast is a biggie. It also is a good way to organize content with so much information, and yes, even misinformation in every niche, in every market. By leaning into the fact that you can organize all of it, right? You're not adding fuel to the fire. You're not saying, here's 1,000 more things you need. You're saying, look, there's a lot out there, right? There is. There's a ton of information. However, I'm going to cut through all the noise, fluff free. I'm just going to deliver something straightforward, right to you, that just zip right to the heart. So you're organizing content. Some people call it curation, but there's a lot of ways to take all the mess in whatever your market is and say, I'm going to give you exactly what you need. And again, fast, right? You can read this in just a few minutes a day, so you're saving them time and you're organizing the content. Here's one of my favorite letters. This is P, and I'm going to show my age here a little bit. Probably my favorite thing, again, I'm older, I'm 52. I grew up with print, with magazines, with newsletters. I love it. I like the fact that I'm delivering them as a PDF and I could print it out. And you could print it out. And you could take it and you can read it. And there's something powerful about taking this piece of digital content and printing it and having it in your hand and sitting on the couch or the bed or by the kitchen table in the morning, having a cup of coffee and reading it. It just changes things. And yes, we love digital and it's delivered digitally. We don't have to mail this. This is digital, but print is a really good thing to tell people they can do. They could print it out and take it with them and put it in a binder, and they have now this artifact, right? This piece of content that lives with them and hopefully sits around and stays on their desk. So I encourage my members to print out the newsletter. They should, and you should too. So that's a really good benefit. As everyone leans digital, get to print, right? And the final one, it's kind of like these two things here. So how are you going to sell it, right? How are you going to sell this? You can either do it as the S is for standalone, or the B stands for bundle. So that's a really interesting question. It's because, does your newsletter have enough legs to stand on its own? Is it something you can sell by itself? Now, if this is a weekly one-page newsletter so one of my best friends owns a hedge fund, right? And if it's trades or investments for hedge funds, and he runs a multi-billion-dollar hedge fund, that's valuable. That's worth a lot of money. So that could be a standalone thing. If it's general, if it's a workout thing, how much are you going to get? Is it $5? Is it $10? Is it $20? Is it $30? That's a very specific niche market type question. So can it stand alone? Yes, if positioned correctly. Or do you bundle it? That's exactly what I did. So I bundled it, and I was going to sell it on my own, but I bundled it within my TV Plus. And by the way, if you're interested in learning more about TV Plus, just write the word TV below, and you'll get access to my newsletter and all the other good stuff. Just write TV below, and I'll send you a link, because you'll see how I'm bundling all this. I like bundling. I think it's really good as a bundle to include in other memberships, other subscriptions. It could be a really good bonus. It still continues relationships. And on its own, again, it could be, for most markets, it could be kind of a lower ticket monthly subscription, higher ticket for more return on investment type stuff, or you add it into a bundle if there's lots of other products. It could be fresh content, it could be evergreen, again, depending on your market. So that is the one-page newsletter. I love it. I'm playing with it. Again, it's 24 hours old, and it's already working really well and brought a lot of new members into TV Plus just in 24 hours. So if you want to learn more about that, just write these letters below. TV, I'll send you a link, and you want to check it out. It's about the price of a gumball. So a gumball a day, you can do it. And I want to talk a little bit more about recurring revenue. So join me in the next video. We go even deeper into recurring revenue. But again, one-page newsletter. What do you think? Is this something you'd want to do? Is this something you would buy? Write it below. Put your comments in there. I love to talk and answer questions. So write TV, questions, like, subscribe, and let's watch this. It's a lot of stuff. But we don't stop here at Ryan Lee TV. We just keep on giving. One-page newsletter for the win. See ya.